Learning is Nishmas, Etta, Ahuva, Yaakov. Nedarim, Perek, Yud, Mishna Ches, last Mishna in the Perek. Hafaras Nedarim Kol Hayom. So when the pasuk says, "V'im b'yom shamay isha yafer yaniyasa," that the husband has the right to be made for the neder on the day that he hears it, and the father also has the right on the day that he hears it. What is considered the day that he hears it? It's like the Mishnah until it gets dark. There's a different Tana in the Gemara that argues and says that it's me'es le'es, that it's a 24-hour period. But after that period, then it's the neder is hukum, and it can no longer be meferet. The Mishnah explains the Tana's shita that it's until it gets dark. Yesh b'davar lahakol lahachmer ketzad. Getting dark over 24 hours could be a kula or a chumrah. Nadra b'leil Shabbos, if she makes the neder on Leil Shabbos, Friday night, right after it got dark, yafer b'leil Shabbos, so you could be made for that whole Friday night, ubi yom haShabbos, and then the following day, ad shetichashech, until it gets dark again. However, Nadra im chashech, if she made the neder on Shabbos, right before the end of Shabbos, right before Matzoi Shabbos, so then you could have only a few seconds to be mefer. Ad shaloi tichashech, until it gets dark. Shem chashcha v'loi hafer, eini yachal hafer. Once it gets dark, you can no longer be mefer. The Mishnah is mevur that the husband is able to be mefer nedarim on Shabbos, and this would be even shaloi litzarech Shabbos, even if it has nothing to do with Shabbos. The Gemara brings down the last Mishnah in Maseches Shabbos that says that when it comes to hataras nedarim, a chacham could only be you can only be shoyel a neder by a chacham, which is oikel l'mafreya, only if it's litzarech Shabbos. The Gemara over here, I just will speak it out because it's yisayidus to know that another chilukim between hafara and hatara is that when you're mefer, we said that you have to use a lashon of mufer lach, like the lashon of the pasuk. You're being mefer only mikan alaba. However, the chacham, he uses the words muter lach, and that's oikel mafreya. That, like we learned, that he never had das to make this neder, and therefore mafreya, the neder is nachal. And if a chacham uses the lashon mufer, or a baal uses the lashon of mutter, it won't work. So you have to dafka use the way that the psukim say that you could get rid of the neder. Perek Yud Aleph, Mishnah Aleph. So this Mishnah talks about the hafaras nedarim of a baal, that the pasuk says, Kol neder v'chol shvua iser la'anois nefesh, that ishi kimena v'ishi ifiranu, that it's dafka neder that had la'anois nefesh, inoi nefesh, pain to the person that made the neder. So dafka, such a neder, is the baal able to be mefer. And there's a machlokes rishonim. The Ran says that the av also can only be mefer the nedarim of his daughter that have inoi nefesh, and the Rambam is chaylik and says that no, a av could be mefer all nedarim. So this Mishnah talks about what is inoi nefesh. Is a machlokes Tanakam and Rabbi Yosi. Tanakam says dvarim sheyesh b'hem inoi nefesh is im erchetz im loy erchetz im eskashet im loy eskashet, which the Gemara explains is talking about that the Isha says that hanos rechitza asura alai la'olam, I won't have any hana from washing, im erchetz hayom. So that's the lashon of im erchetz. If I take a bath today, then I'm never going to take a bath the rest of my life. If I'm miskashet, if I use things to beautify my face today, then I can never be miskashet la'olam. So that's considered inoi nefesh. Amar Rabbi Yosi ein elu nidei nefesh, and the Gemara explains because. So let her not be roichetz today. If a person doesn't take a shower one day, niva shel yom echad lo have a niva. That's not considered a niva, and therefore Rabbi Yosi held that this is not considered inoi nefesh. And the Mishnah Beis, we're going to discuss what Rabbi Yosi held is inoi nefesh. The Gemara asks a question that it's mashma from our Mishnah that you can only be mefer inoi nefesh. The pasuk says that bein ish leishta, bein av lebita, that it's mashma that a baal could be made for any nedarim that affects the relationship, the husband and the wife, even if it's not Inay Nefesh, but if it's going to cause Ava amongst the husband and the wife, he could be made for it. And the Gemara answers that Inay Nefesh, when he's made for it even Lacherim. And that's what our mission is coming to say. Dafka Inay Nefesh, he could be made for Lacherim. Shenkein Dvarim Shebeino Lebeina, even though the Baal could be made for her, but it's only Legabi the Baal. But if she's Niskarsha and marries someone else, then the Neder would again be applicable.